Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your savings accounts with Ally Bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Ally Bank website. Once there, click on the Open Account button. Select the type of savings account you wish to open. Choose between a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your employment details and income information. Set your initial deposit amount to fund your new account. Review the account terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Click Submit to complete your account application. Check your email for a confirmation message from Ally Bank. Log in to your new account using the credentials you created. Navigate to the Transfer Funds section to set up automatic deposits. Decide on the frequency for these transfers, whether it be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Enter the amount you wish to save with each transfer. After setting up the automatic transfers, monitor your account regularly. Use the Ally Bank mobile app for quick access to your balance and transactions. Take advantage of Ally's tools, such as savings goals and calculators, to help you stay on track. Consider setting alerts for when your balance reaches a certain threshold. Review your spending habits to find areas where you can save more. Finally, be patient and stay committed to your savings plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.